Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Quick, I guess part 2 update. Got the heads off, got them off to a machine shop to get pressure checked, crack checked, and make sure they're flat and all that goodness. Only thing I gotta do on this one is just clean it up. I gotta use a green Scotch-Brite and maybe a cookie wheel or something and just get things shined up a little bit. Since it is a cast iron block, I don't have to worry as much about taking off too much material, but I'll still be careful as always. So just a quick update on that. Next video will be Harbor Freight parts washer. We're doing a whole bunch of work, lots of stuff that needs cleaned, so I figured time to grab one. Gonna do a couple little things to it. Of course, got a flow through brush because it doesn't come with anything besides the metal tube, which is not gonna do you a whole lot when you don't have anything to scrub with. So I got some brushes and stuff. And then also got for it a couple heaters. They're like little electric heaters. They're just gonna stick to the bottom. So I mean, it's like washing dishes. I mean, they come cleaner, quicker, and easier when you use, warm, hot water versus cold water. So, same thing goes with, greasy, dirty parts. Throw a little bit of heat at it, grease comes off a little easier than just cold. So, we got some heaters coming for it. And I got a little quarter turn valve for the drain. I know I'm not doing the filter. The inline filter, I see that a lot of people do that. It goes from here, goes into a filter, goes out of the filter, back to this. Haven't really decided if I wanted to do that or not. Yeah, you're filtering the fluid, but at the end of the day, I forget which side of this comes off, but like, that's your pump. So where the filtering really needs to be done is right here. This is what needs to filter out the big chunks. And then it goes to the pump, and then it goes out of the pump, then it would go into your whatever filter you choose to add. So if I wanted to really filter the fluid, this is what I'd want it filtered through, but the only good way to do that is the options I've seen others do, where they put like a bucket in a bucket, and they kind of separate the fluid from the junk that would come out of the drain. That's probably the best way to really filter it out. But for right now, I'm not going to put an inline filter. We'll just kind of see how it goes. Alright, just a quick update. See you everyone later.